What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY ghost face mask. I'm so excited to show you guys how to make a ghost face mask. Make two of them because I was bored and wanted to just make a project out of it, so I did. This is the ghost face mask that I did make. I wasn't sure on how to really do his hood. I kind of struggled with this one. The first one I didn't really struggle as much, but this one I kind of was like figuring out how I really wanted to place his hood and stuff. So I think I did a really good job with this mask. I'm really impressed with my talents. So this is the one that I could put on, and I'll show you the one that I can't put on. So here's the other one that I made. It's just gonna go on my wall. So pretty cool. I love the way that these turned out. So there's that one. So I'm going to put it on quickly and then get on to the DIY on how to make one of these if you're interested. So here we go. This is it. So yeah, that is the mask. Love the way that it turned out. So now that you guys have seen the masks, now let's get on to the DIY ghost face mask so you guys can learn how to make your very own ghost face. So let's get on to that. To doing my ghost face mask. This is what it looks like, all nice and dry. Got the shape that I wanted, but now I'm going to cut around the ghost face mask and cut off the edges like that because I don't want that. Use my scissors. Most parts of the mask. Got that all cut off. Perfect. All done that. Ghostface's eyes, nose, and mouth. I'm going to be using white pipe cleaners. I got these at the dollar store for $2, and there's 100 pieces in here. I suggest using white pipe cleaners just because it's easier to hide under like toilet paper when doing like prosthetics and stuff. A hot glue gun and some, and you're gonna need tons of hot glue sticks, tons of those. Just some toilet paper. I already have some ripped up, but if I need more, I got more. Need some scissors, some Mod Podge for this mask. This is a matte one. It's water-based glue, sealer, and finish. This stuff is the best. It works really well. 2, 3, 4. Shape of the eyes that I wanted. This one kind of gave me like a hard time, I'm not gonna lie. But I think that's what I like so far. If I don't like it, then I'll just fix it. I'm done his mouth. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Well, I'm gonna like place it in the middle, and then I'm going to hot glue it together. Looks like got it all glued on. It's looking good so far. Happy with it. Fun part, the messy part. I'm going to take my pieces of toilet paper, my Mod Podge, paintbrush, and that's it. That's all I'm going to need, and I'm going to use my hands too. I do rip the toilet paper into little pieces, and then I put it onto the mask. So I'm gonna take my Mod Podge liquid latex. Whoa, that's a lot, but I'm gonna need lots. That's a lot. I have one layer done of his one eye, so I'm just gonna keep doing that throughout the entire mask, but I will show you throughout the video. But this is just what I have done so far. Have finished the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Now it's just drying. It's gonna take probably like 24 hours to dry, I'm not gonna lie. Hey guys, so it is a couple days later, and this is what it looks like so far. Everything is dried. I'm going to be painting the face today, so I'm going to be using this white paint that I got at the dollar store. Then I got my paint brushes. I'm pretty much just going to paint the entire mask white, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to go in with the black paint. Looks like I finished painting his mouth, his nose, and his two eyes, and then this is just what it looks like. I did try to make his eyes and nose and mouth pop more, so I did use like a really light gray paint and just went around his eyes, his nose, and his mouth, and then went in with white paint again and just kind of like blended everything, and it gave it like this like shadow effect, just kind of helped his eyes and nose and mouth kind of like pop more. I'm gonna go in with some Mod Podge again, and I'm going to seal everything on the mask just so it avoids cracking. The mask after I applied the Mod Podge, so this is what it looks like. Here's the corner of the pillowcase. Put it up like that. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what it should look like. His hood on, right in the front. Just like that. A little glue there, and then bumpa. Just gonna see what else I want to do over here. Gluing on his hood, did it the way that I thought looked good. I just like this, and I'm gonna cut in between here just because like if I want to wear it or so. I did cut the hood like this, so then there's an opening part where I can stick my head in there and wear it if I want to. But this is just what my ghost face mask looks like. It is all completed. Here it is.